Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we are diving deep into a cookware set that promises to declutter your kitchen and expand your culinary horizons, all while being incredibly portable. We're talking about the 14-piece stainless steel cookware set with a detachable handle. If you've ever found yourself struggling with cabinet space, or dreamed of having proper cookware for your RV or camping trips, this set might just be your new best friend. Let's start by unpacking what you actually get in this 14-piece collection. It's not just pots and pans. You're looking at a 10-inch fry pan, 2 saucepans, a 2-quart and a 3-quart, both featuring handy measurement marks etched right into the interior, which is a nice touch for precision cooking without needing extra measuring cups. You also get 2 fridge lids, an 8-inch glass lid that fits multiple pieces, and the star of the show, the removable handle. Beyond the core cooking vessels, the set is rounded out with 3 silicone utensils, 3 pot protectors to prevent scratching when stacked, and even an apron to keep you clean during your culinary adventures. It's a remarkably complete package, especially considering its space-saving design. Now, the construction is where this set aims to shine. Each piece boasts a full tri-ply construction. This means you have stainless steel on the inside and outside, with a core of aluminum sandwiched in between. Tri-ply is fantastic because that aluminum core conducts heat exceptionally well and distributes it evenly. The goal here is to eliminate hot spots, ensuring your food cooks uniformly without scorching in one area while remaining undercooked in another. This is a hallmark of good quality cookware, and it's good to see it implemented across the board here. The real innovation, and arguably the biggest selling point, is the detachable handle. This is what unlocks the space-saving potential. By removing the handle, you can stack these pots and pans incredibly efficiently. The company claims it saves up to 70% of cabinet space, and honestly, seeing how neatly they nest together, I can believe it. This makes it ideal for smaller kitchens, RVs, boats, or even just for someone who wants a tidier pantry. The handle itself attaches securely and feels quite robust when in use. It also means you can seamlessly transition from stovetop cooking, to placing the pot or pan directly into the oven, then onto your dining table, and finally into the fridge using the included fridge lids. No need for extra transfer dishes. Health and safety are paramount in modern cookware, and this set addresses that by being non-toxic. The interior and exterior are free from any coatings, meaning you're not dealing with PFOA or PTFE, which are common concerns with some non-stick surfaces. This makes it a healthier choice, especially for families. And for convenience, it's dishwasher safe, which is always a win in my book. Versatility is another strong suit. This cookware is compatible with all stovetop types, and yes, that includes induction. It's also oven safe up to a very impressive 600 degrees Fahrenheit, provided the handle is removed. This wide range of compatibility makes it suitable for virtually any cooking scenario, from a quick meal on your apartment stove to a gourmet feast prepared in your RV while on a road trip. The portability aspect, combined with its robust features, makes it a compelling option for outdoor enthusiasts who don't want to compromise on their cooking. So, let's talk about the pros. The space-saving design with the detachable handle is a game-changer for anyone with limited storage. The tri-ply construction promises excellent and even heat distribution, which is crucial for good cooking. The non-toxic, coating-free interior is a significant health benefit. The set is incredibly versatile, working on all stovetops, in the oven, and it's even portable for camping and RV life. The inclusion of useful accessories like measurement marks, fridge lids, and utensils adds a lot of value to the package. However, no product is perfect, and there are a few potential cons to consider. While the detachable handle is brilliant for storage, it does add an extra step to using the cookware. You have to attach and detach it, which might be a minor inconvenience for some, especially if you're frequently moving pans between the stove and oven. Also, while stainless steel is durable and easy to clean, it's not inherently non-stick. This means you'll likely need to use a bit of oil or fat when cooking, and some foods, like eggs or delicate fish, might require a more careful technique to prevent sticking. Finally, while the set is comprehensive, the included utensils are silicone, which are great for protecting the pan surface, but some serious cooks might prefer the heft and feel of metal utensils for certain tasks. In conclusion, this 14-piece stainless steel cookware set with a detachable handle is a remarkably well thought-out product. It tackles the common problems of kitchen clutter and the desire for portable, high-quality cookware. The tri-ply construction and non-toxic materials are definite highlights, offering both excellent cooking performance and peace of mind. If you're in the market for a space-saving solution, or if you're an adventurer who loves to cook on the go, this set is definitely worth a serious look. Link in the description.